Guys, welcome back. Welcome back to the channel here, where we are on beautiful cryptocurrency theory, looking at Litecoin this evening, and looking at the price potentially going to be exploding here very soon here on Litecoin. So, we had these predictions last week. We had them on Grayscale. We had them on altcoins. We might have been a week early, but now it looks like that week might be coming up this upcoming week here. Litecoin is getting a lot of different articles. A lot of these are AI generated. A lot of these are paid articles from Litecoin holders. So I'm not going to allude to you that, it's not, this isn't a manufactured marketing campaign, but it doesn't really matter, guys, because we know at the end of the day, coins that follow math here on the channel, as long as there's not some weird math going on, we almost guarantee that these coins are going to rally. So we're looking at Litecoin tonight. We're going to be doing a technical analysis on a coin here that is very bullish at the moment, very bullish here at the moment. So we're going to take you into it, guys. We're going to jump into the channel. As you know, guys, here on the channel, we are all about making money. So head over to that membership thing and get you a membership. It's about $499 US, which, like I said, it is only for the super fans. But nonetheless, here, guys, we were looking at Litecoin. We're going to throw a couple guarantees out here as we look at this. Not only some guarantees, but maybe some price predictions here in the short term. So let's just take a peek at Litecoin. We got the overall graph here. Obviously, Litecoin's been around a little bit longer, but TradingView only pulls these from whatever exchange listed Litecoin. In this case, we're looking at I don't know, probably Binance. So we don't really need to go back too far here, guys, to see that there is a pattern here. A lot of times people are going to stop me. They're going to be like, dude, Litecoin's only gone up when Bitcoin's gone up. Well, not really, because in 2019, when nobody could move all those plus token coins from that scam plus token that you guys probably, much of you weren't around for, but I was around for, and they were using Litecoin to get in and out of these positions, guys. And that was actually the bear market, right? 2018, 2019 were not like prominent years for most cryptocurrencies, but we see Litecoin right here. It went all the way up to $140. I remember it went all the way down to 20. So that's a 7x, guys. That's a 7x. So we want to carve this in here that this is a 7x here after it was down from 360 US. Okay, so it's gone from in the last bull run, 2 bull runs ago. When I first got into crypto, Litecoin was at around, I don't know, $30, $36 when I first started looking at crypto. And it went all the way up to over $400, guys, which is over a 12x. And you see a lot of this happened here, right here, from November, we'll say November 17th, all the way up to the first of the year, January of 2018. It obviously went up and then kind of, Bitcoin topped off at about 20K. Litecoin topped off, I don't know, we'll say about $360 US. So, a 12x, guys, is pretty badass, in my opinion. Not many coins do that that are on the top, the top 100 that are still on the top 100 today. And in the next 3 years, that'll be a 10-year-old story here, on Litecoin. So it's done that. It's also done, like I said, it's done the 7x gain right here in 2019 on the plus token scam. It kind of went into the most of the cryptos where they sunk down in 2019, and then 2020 we got the COVID scare, right? It dumped, most of the markets dumped, and Litecoin was obviously dumping down to about 29 US. But in 2021, it did make a comeback, guys. It not only did a 10x, it did about a 20x, because 20 times 2 would be around $400 US from the top to the bottom of where Litecoin topped out. It topped back out at $400. So a lot of people are wondering, like, what is the potential of Litecoin this cycle? And we're going to take you through that here when we start opening up these trading pairs on Litecoin versus Bitcoin and Litecoin versus Ethereum, rather than focusing way too much on dollars, because that's a lot of times what us crypto people do. We focus on those dollars that are losing value every day, and that's not really fun for us to do. So we look at these other things, but real talk, guys, Litecoin is basically, it's going to go to $400 guaranteed. So what is that? Going to be a 3x, a little over a 3x from where, a little under a 3x. It's at 120, so we'll say a little over a 3x, 300% gain on Litecoin would put it obviously above, at the $120 level, above $400, right? So 300% in crypto, guys, is really not a lot. I'm going to kind of paint you a picture on why that's not a lot here. Just because, you know, in the crypto world, guys, we're not looking for 300%. We're looking for like 3,000%. So what I have open here on the screen here is very valuable information. You're not going to see it anywhere else. There might be a few places you'll see it, but it'll be very, very rare to see. Now, what we have pulled up here is the Litecoin versus Bitcoin trading pairs, guys. If you guys are bullish on Litecoin, check it out because we're going to go through it just in real time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll count this one, 6, May of 2021. I mean, that's a pretty substantial jump. It's 100% gain on Bitcoin Core. And a lot of people, guys, are going to argue with me on this. They're going to say, man, well, you know, Bitcoin is, Bitcoin is the king. It's gonna do big things. Well, guys, it's already up to 100 grand, and we're starting to see these coins kind of break out a little bit, right? We're starting to see these coins start to maybe offer something here in the short term that might be pretty amazing. Because, like, if we go back up to where we were just 2 years ago, guys, we're going to be looking at roughly pretty darn quick here. We're going to be looking at $400 or $500 Litecoin, but I would say that Bitcoin, this would be 0.004 BTC equivalents, right? So we're at 0.001. That's going to be a 300% gain from where we're at now. That's going to put us at what? That's going to put us at a little over 400 US dollars. Therefore, if Bitcoin stays steady and runs sideways, or maybe runs up a little bit and sideways, and this goes up, we're looking at $400 Litecoin relatively quickly here. And this has happened in, kind of a bear market, right? October 2022, it doubled on Bitcoin Core. It's actually more than doubled if we go back to June of 2022, when the market really kind of started bottoming out. We started hitting fresh lows, and things were not looking good. We did see Bitcoin dominance kind of pull back a little bit, and we did get an increase in flux in the altcoins. Litecoin was there as well, right? Litecoin was there as well. So my point is, guys, is when we're looking at these charts, we take them with a grain of salt, but when we look at them broadly, we need to take them more than a grain of salt because, it's happened 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we've been at this level almost before, all right? So people that are sitting there going, well, dude, that was then, and what about now? Well, guys, this happened. This is what Dogecoin was looking like before it went on a run, okay? Before it plowed up against the BTC chart. We're not going to pull up Dogecoin. Maybe we'll do a market update on Dogecoin as well. But, a lot of people are going to argue about this and say, well, no, Bitcoin's in a different playing ground now. And, that's not really true, guys, because Bitcoin is the same damn Bitcoin it was back here. There's been almost no upgrades to the network, no major upgrades to the network since then, right? So my point is, guys, I don't want you guys to take this out of context. We've been here. We've been at this level, a little bit above this level, 200% to be fair, above this level. But we've been at these lower levels against Bitcoin before. We've been here, we've been at here, arguably here and here. So my point is, guys, is as this market starts aggressively going up, which we're starting to see here on this Sunday evening, it would be, I think, very bad to allocate all your money into one specific coin and not take advantage of what is about to happen, guys, because all we need is a little bit of a narrative push. And we're already starting to get that, guys. We're already starting to get that baked in. We're going to be getting those altcoins start to go up here. And we might be at the very bottom of the Bitcoin core, but like dollars, we're not doing too bad, right? Like we're already kind of creeping up here against dollars. So a lot of people are following those dollars. They might be following the wrong thing, guys. So drop it in the comments and let me know. Let me know. We're at $120 US Litecoin. Litecoin price December 15th, 2024. Let's see how this thing ages. Let's see how high we can go. Drop it in the comments if you think maybe $200, $300, $400 might be just right around the corner, guys. Drop it in the chat. Let me know.